You know, the business world today is moving at lightning speed. We've all seen it, right? The massive shift from local shops to global online stores, and from digging for cash to just tapping a card. In this race, staying ahead isn't just a nice to have, it's literally about survival.
And get this, the numbers don't lie. It turns out that a whopping 90% of the top performing companies out there are already using modern tools to power their growth. They're not just keeping up, they're the ones setting the pace for everyone else. So when you know the competition is already ahead of the game, it really makes you think. It raises a huge question for any business owner who wants to stay in the ring. What are you going to do about it? Because that's exactly what this is, a race. And make no mistake, it's a test of how quickly you can adapt, how efficient you can be, and how well you can see what's coming around the corner. Being able to anticipate the next big thing and stay ahead of that curve, well, it's not a growth strategy anymore. In today's world, it's your most important survival skill. So, how in the world do you stay competitive? It's not just about buying the latest gadget or software. It's about finding a true partner that helps you weave that technology right into the fabric of your business so you can actually grow. And that's where a tool like BRS software comes into play. Think of it as the central nervous system for your entire business. It's an ERP, which stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, and its whole job is to streamline everything, making you more efficient and sparking some serious growth. And one of the best things about it is just how versatile it is. I mean, it's built for pretty much any kind of business you can think of: manufacturing, services, warehouse management, whether you're selling to other businesses or directly to customers. And this isn't some clunky one-size-fits-all program. Because it's modular, it actually adapts to how you do business. So it feels less like you bought something off the shelf and more like you had a custom solution built just for your team. So here's a quick look at how this dream team works together. All your key areas, sales, purchasing, inventory, production, they're all connected and talking to each other. And right in the middle, you have the accounts module. It's the shining star, pulling in data from everywhere else to give you those crucial financial insights you need to make smart calls. Okay, so that's the big picture view. But what does this actually feel like day to day? Let's dive in and see how a system like this can make your daily grind feel, well, almost effortless. All right, let's take something everyone does, creating an invoice. Step 1, you pick the customer. Boom, all their info just pops right in. Step 2, you type in the item. Bam, all the details fill themselves out. Step 3, pick the rate and forget about the tax math. It's done. Step 4, hit save. And just like that, you've got a perfect invoice in seconds. And that's the real beauty of it. It's so incredibly user-friendly that literally anyone on your team can jump in and handle these key tasks. You don't need a special degree or hours of training. It's just that simple. But look, making tasks easier is only half the battle. The real power, the real game changer, is when you take all that clean, organized data and turn it into decisions that move your business forward. This is a huge leap from the old way of doing things, right? Where all your data was stuck in different programs that didn't talk to each other. Instead of just getting one little piece of the puzzle, you get the whole picture, because insights from every part of your business are combined. Okay, for example, take a look at this desktop view. In one single screen, you see the entire story of your relationship with your vendors. You've got opening balances, sales, payments, everything. Think of all the time you'd save not having to dig around for this info. And it's not just a static table. Check this out. With just one click, you can sort by any column. So, want to see your biggest customers? Click. Want to find your smallest accounts? Click. It's a super simple action that gives you powerful insights instantly. Visuals like this just make trends pop right off the screen. You don't need to be a data scientist to see, whoa, what happened in June? Sales for this vendor were 0. That's not just a number anymore, that's a conversation starter. It makes you ask why and figure out what to do next. And that's just one tiny example. There are dashboards for just about everything you can imagine. You can track sales growth, keep an eye on cash flow, check your profits, manage what's owed to you and what you owe. It's a complete 360-degree view of your business's health. Which brings us right back to where we started. We've seen how the right tools can totally change the game, turning messy data into simple, powerful decisions. So I have to ask again, what's your next move? Because ultimately, that's the whole point.
It's about using this technology to flip the script, to turn those market challenges into incredible opportunities for growth, and to take your business from just getting by to absolutely thriving.
So the path forward is actually pretty clear when you lay it all out. You start with the challenge, a market that's always changing. The solution? You embrace modern tools. Your first action is to streamline your everyday work. The outcome of that is you start making smarter, data-driven decisions. And the final results? Powerful, unstoppable growth.
So, I'll just leave you with this one last thought, that 90% of top companies, they're out there right now using these kinds of insights to pull ahead. They are already making smarter decisions every single day. The only real question left is, are you?